Here is an overview of AMR Printer Manager. First thing we see is printer status. We will see the status of all printers and installations, as well as the last connection. The next thing we see is printer meters, where we see all meters. We can add some other counters here, like scanners or A3. And we can check history of that printer from meters to toner levels. We can also see consumable levels. And we can also edit that printer. Let's change the alias or printer location. If we want to do an export very quick, we can just export that file and we can see all that file here. Next thing we see is printer meters. We see all the meters from all printers. We can also check for client, a particular client or serial number here. We can see the history of that printer in meters and also toner levels. As well as we can edit that printer, we can change the alias and printer location. Next thing I want to show you is toner alarms. All alarms that we have from all printers regarding toner levels. So the first thing we do is we can add some comments here. If we have some comment to add, we can enter an ID for our ERP. We will normally check on done, so we organize that shipping, but we can also do in process, a standby, a cancel, whatever, and also postpone. That means we organize that this alarm we'll set a reminder for next week and save it. So if we see that alarm is postponed here, we see that blue icon here, and if we go into the future, we'll see the alarms that are postponed. So that means a new alarm will show up the day that comes. Maintenance alarms are exactly the same, working in the same way. System alarms are the same, and we also have reports where we can have some specific reports for our ERP. We have API tokens, users, and other things for another video. Thanks for watching and keep in touch.